Welcome to Learn PDR Online. I'm Tom and that's me putting a small dent in the roof panel of this Renault Clio. So here you can see the dent, and looking at the reflection of those lines you can see the low spot where the lines splay apart, and then where they pinch together shows us the crowns that now surround that dent. So I wanted to do a real quick condensed version for YouTube, showcasing exactly what you can achieve with blending, and by speeding up this video we're going to really see the way that metal moves. So there's a longer extended version with more a tutorial at learnpdronline.com, but for this video let's start tapping with a blending hammer and then we'll speed it up and really watch that metal move.